Welcome aboard. This is Fix and Float, your do-it-yourself boating channel. We ran into some trouble with our starter battery, so we figured let's show how to check the voltage the right way, step by step. We had a drained starter battery that showed just 10.6 volts and the engine won't crank. You usually need at least 12.4 volts to get things going. Right now we got a new battery that's been installed for a day, and we're going to check how much charge it's hold. Step 1 is to turning off the main battery. Then we disconnect the battery terminals like this. And now we grab our multimeter and we set it to 20 volts DC. That's the closest to 12 volts and just right for this kind of battery. And yeah, make sure it's DC, not AC. Now we place the red probe on positive and the black on negative and take a reading. Here it shows 12.72 volts, which is just where we want it. The old battery only gave us 10.6 volts, way too low to start the engine. It's time to hook the new one back up. Terminals on, the blue one first, and then the red one. Power switch on. There goes the gas alarm, which means we're live. Let's try a test start. Put on the ignition, waiting a little bit, and then let's see if it starts. Yes, it's fired up with a fresh battery and we're good to go. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe for more from Fix and Float, your place for real boat tips and hands-on troubleshooting from the Swedish archipelago. And I see you next time.